All right, guys, we have had so many comments, people saying that these agates are fake. I'm gonna show you some fake ones. So these are Brazilian agates. These are dyed. This is actually a Brazilian agate, and this guy is not dyed, and this is high quality of what you see. And these ones, you can tell that they're dyed because you can see the husk that is black, and all the agate is black, and whatever the banding grabs the color, what they do is they put them on colorant and heat them up. And this one as well, like, look at the husk. The color is blue, they dye them up. You have probably seen these agates somewhere around because these are, can I say, popular or all over the place. So in Brazil, they can find tons and tons and tons of material. And what they do is they just slice them up and just heat them up with color, and goes all over the world. For instance, the Mexican agates, these guys, they're pretty rare, you know? It's so hard to get a one quality one. And how these guys are gonna be fake, you see, you have the big husk, whatever. And look at this guy. So if these guys were fake, they would be one color, all of them. But now you can see how you have like different color combinations from white going to a kind of lavender, yellow, all the way to orange, and some different things, and also some crazy growths, which they're pretty cool. But it's impossible for us humans to replicate these colors. Just nature can do it. And you're talking about millions of years in the process to make one of these pieces. And the fun part is that all these guys are different. Like, for instance, this is a pear, so it has its own palette of colors. But when we go to another example, like this piece, let's see if it's the right way, yeah. Look at the color combinations. It's pretty crazy. All the banding, you can see the different layers and different color change because of the, I don't know, elements that the silica was exposed to that gives this particular color combination, which is pretty crazy. And if these guys were dyed, all the agate would be the same color or whatever. So it's pretty crazy. And in here, we have some slices that you can tell that both of the sides have the same palette, but it changed completely the face for a slice that you cut. You know, it's completely unique. And how come you can make something like this? You know, having the red color, then the purple, then pink, purple, black, whatever. So these are pretty savage, and you know, you cannot beat them. And they're actually so rare. You need to cut so many pieces to get to something like this. And if you see this slice, this is pretty crazy. So in here, you can notice kind of chromatography when you have some red and it changed into yellow. This is a different types of iron that give this coloration. You have some greens and different color combinations, which they're pretty sick. And the other side as well. So these guys are not fake. I love watching comments, people saying that they're fake. If you can replicate something like this, you know, you must be pretty good, but impossible so far.